Hello everyone, this is the second tutorial of mine. In the first tutorial, I taught how to take components and how to drag them on a schematic sheet. So by assuming that you know how to make connections on schematic, let's start with how to make a layout of particular circuit. So this is the rain sensor circuit, meaning whenever sensor sense the water, LED will glow and buzzer will make noise. So now firstly I'll be teaching working of circuit and programming of circuit. Then at the last I will take the layout of circuit. So here is the rain sensor. Actually Proteus doesn't support the rain sensor. Hence I have connected switch instead of rain sensor. Rain sensor module is going to connect externally. So this switch will not be come in the layout. Before that, understand the rain sensor. Whenever rain sensor sends the water, it will send 0 to microcontroller, means low signal. I repeat, whenever rain sensor found the water, it will send 0 to the microcontroller, means low signal. LED is connected at P1.1. The cathode of the LED is connected at P1.1 and speaker is connected at P1.2. So as the cathode is connected at P1.1, so for making LED glow, we have to send 0 at P1.1 so that LED will glow. Here the rest of the connections are the same for every project, that this crystal oscillator and reset circuit, everything will be same for any kind of a microcontroller based project. So now let's focus on the programming part. So this is our program. In the first line, it is indicating the header, and REG51 is for the 89C51. Now, firstly, we need to define or assign the variables to the port. I have assigned SNR, means sensor, to P1.0, LED to P1.1 and speaker to P1.2. Now onwards, whenever I require P1.1, I will simply use LED name. So here I am defining the delay variable. Now void main, execution of program will start from here, and at the start LED is equal to 1, speaker is equal to 1, means both will be off. Now in the while loop, it will check the condition of sensor. In the while loop, it will check the condition of the sensor, and depending on result will interpret. If SNR is equal to 0, means the sensor found 0, then LED will be 0, speaker will be 0, means LED will start glowing and speaker will start making noise. Then delay, and afterwards I am making it again 1. So here little confusion can be happen, as I want the LED should be blink, so I am firstly sending 0, then 1, 0 1 0 1. This will continue and my LED will start blinking. But if you don't want to LED blink, just want to glow the LED, then write just these two lines. These two lines are enough to get output. Now else, if don't found water, then just remains off. Then I am defining here void function, delay function. So this will make our execution delay. So this was our program. Now let's move to kill. So here project, new project. In that save your project wherever you want. Right now I'm sending on desktop. So desktop as a rain sensor. search your component. We are using 89C51, so write that one, this one. So okay, now go to file, new, type your program here. Right now I'm going to copy and paste. So go to source group. Now, firstly save this program with .c extension, and if your project is in assembly language, then you need to save it with the .asm extension. I'm saving it as rs.c on desktop. So now go to source group, right click, add existing file, go here, that is objects, no, not objects, so find rs, type here rs.c and say add. So you will get that rs.c file has been added. Now go for build option, zero errors, zero warning. So now go on target, right click there, see options for target 1. Now here write 12 megahertz frequency, go output, create hex file, that's it, okay. Now you will get hex file on the desktop. Now go to Proteus software. Now load that program. Our program is saved on desktop. Then objects. So you will find in the objects hex file. Add that one. This is our file. So okay. Now let's see the circuit is working or not. So you can see LED start blinking and buzzer is start making noise. So if I just open this one, so our circuit is working properly. Now let's see the actual working of this project.
कर दिसणारा पण बंद झाला हे दिसलं पाहिजे
This was all about the Proteus circuit. Now let's make the layout of this circuit. Go to PCB layout. Here is the rectangular box is shown. Click on it. Select as board edge. Now for converting TH in mm, just put mm. Now this box is indicating a 10 by 10 centimeter. We want it. So draw the box of 10 by 10. If you want to check the dimension of it, you can just go here, dimension mode, and check it. So you can see it is 100 mm, that is a 10 centimeter. Now go to technology, design rule manager. Here are the net classes, so put these two as bottom copper. Same thing is, this is the power. Now same thing is for signal, bottom copper. Now in the power you can see select this as T40. This is for track size and all that thing. So if you put T40, your tracks width will be good. For signal, do the same thing. Okay, now tools, auto placer, check that all the components are have tick or not. Now here LED is missing. Why LED is missing? Because the LED have LED's package is not there. So we need to assign package. Go again schematic, double click. So package is not specified. LED package. Okay. Now again go to tools, auto placer, select all. Now you can see LEDs here. Okay. Now everything is fine. Go to tools, auto routing, begin routing. Now you need to understand that the here external supply is not mentioned in this particular layout. Means we are going to connect the external supply externally, so that is not shown here. So we need to uh, drill two holes on the copper clad. So for that we have to do some of the things manually. So take hole from here, choose the size of the width of that hole. You can place here. Now one more thing is missing in this circuit, that is the pin number 31 has to be connected to VDD. That is the missing thing. So take that one. So I'm giving the positive to EA bar. Now the same thing came here. For this, now just do auto routing. Connection is done. Now for writing anything on it, go here, AL letter with the bottom copper, click here, write whatever you want. I am writing here plus sign. And here minus sign. So and just connect the EA bar here. This is 31 pin number, so this has to be connected here. So for that, firstly choose ratness mode and connect 31 to positive. Now choose track mode. So this is our positive, and negative has to be connected with ground and sensor. Again the sensor is not present here, so the another wire will come here and ground will be connected to that one. So that's it. Ahead I need to drag two more holes for sensor purpose, and that will be little complicated thing. Right now I'm just showing this much of things, and after manually editing and after printing, the circuit will be look like this.